Hello students, hope you are doing well in your preparation. I am Shubhajit Shah from Parul Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acids. The classes of organic compounds containing carbonyl group as the functional groups are aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids and their derivatives. These are collectively called carbonyl compounds. Nature of carbonyl group. Oxygen atom in carbonyl group is far more electronegative than carbon atom. As a result, the oxygen atom tends to attract the electron cloud of the pi bond towards itself. The pi electron cloud of C double bond O is unsymmetrical. Hence, carbonyl carbon acquires positive charge and carbonyl oxygen carries negative charge. Thus, the carbonyl group is polar in nature. Aldehydes, ketone and carboxylic acids are organic compounds that contain a carbonyl group, carbon and oxygen with a double bond. In aldehydes, the carbonyl group is attached to one hydrogen atom and one carbon atom of an alkyl or aryl group. In ketones, the carbonyl group is attached to two carbon atoms belonging to two different alkyl or aryl groups. In carboxylic acids, the carbonyl group is attached to one carbon atom of an alkyl or aryl group and an oxygen atom of the hydroxyl. The word carboxylic is a combination of carbonyl and hydroxide. Structure and nature of the carbonyl group. The carbonyl carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. It is bonded to three other atoms through 3 sigma bonds. The fourth valence electron of the carbonyl carbon remains in p orbital. This unhybridized p orbital overlaps with the p orbital of oxygen to form a pi bond. The bond angles of the carbonyl carbon and the three other atoms to which it is attached are approximately 122 degrees. The structure formed is trigonal coplanar structure. Apart from this, the oxygen atom has two non-bonding electron pairs. The carbon atom of the carbonyl group and the three atoms it is attached to lie in one plane, while the pi electron cloud exists above and below the plane. Nature of carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones. The oxygen atom in C double bond O is more electronegative than carbon atom. It pulls the shared electrons closer and acquires partial negative charge, while the carbon atom acquires partial positive charge. Overall, the C double bond O bond is polarized. As a result of this, the carbon atom of C double bond O is electrophile, while the carbonyl oxygen is nucleophilic. Because of the polar nature, the molecules of aldehydes and ketones have high dipole moments and are more polar than alkyl halides and ethers. Structure and nature of carbonyl group. One structure of carbonyl group of carboxylic acid. The carboxylic group of carboxylic acid comprises of a carbonyl group C double bond O and hydroxylic group OH. In the carbonyl group, both C and oxygen are sp2 hybridized. The oxygen atom of hydroxyl group is also sp2 hybridized. The carboxyl group has a trigonal planar structure. One of the lone pair of electrons of oxygen conjugates with the pi system of the C double bond O group. The bond angles of the carboxylic carbon are approximately 122 degrees. Nature of carboxylic group of carboxylic acids. As stated earlier, the carboxylic group of carboxylic acid is made of a carbonyl group and a hydroxyl group. The carbonyl group of carboxylic acids behaves differently from the of aldehydes and ketones. The carbon in C double bond O of carboxylic acid is less electrophilic than that of aldehydes and ketones. This is because of the presence of resonance in the molecule, which makes the carbon atom of the carbonyl group is less positive and hence less electrophilic. Okay, that's for today. Thank you.